Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank two organizer for this wonderful competition. And don't forget to our distinguished judges, to all my fellow friends from USIM and from other universities as well. My name is Muhammad Hazwan bin Abdurrahman from I-Tamhidi USIM. I'm here to represent my team in sharing with all of you our innovation, which is learning Arabic grammar in interactive way through I-Tamhidi. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me introduce my team members. First, Encik Nasir Muhammad Sabri from Pusat Tamhidi. Second one is Associate Professor Dr. Azlan Saiful Baharum from FPPU USIM. And the last one, Cik Muhammad Amnan from IIUM. Now I proceed with the problem statement. As we know that Arabic language is not an easy language. This language is among the hardest language in the world, instead of Chinese, Japanese, and Korean language. Whereas in Malaysia, Arabic language is taught in many Islamic schools like SMA, SMKA, Ma'had, and even since primary school. Unfortunately, many studies conducted by our researchers like Zainur Rijal, Abdul Razak, Rosni Samah 2020, and many more found that proficiency level among our students is still low, even though they learn Arabic for many years. In addition, our students still cannot comprehend this Arabic grammar and writing and speaking skills. The main factors that contribute to this problem is teaching method and students' motivation. Ladies and gentlemen, Arabic language needs a jumpstart, which is in line with the evolution of the world education. Traditional method like teacher-centered learning based on chalk and talk should transform into a more efficient and effective one. Alternatively, it should be more creative, more innovative, and fun through the usage of multimedia technology which utilize the elements of audiovisual. In this case, graphic, animation, colors, and video can give lasting impact on the learner's memory. This method is proven more effective in comparison with the traditional ways, which have been regarded as becoming dull and dry. Based on my observation in Pusat Tamhidi, in most cases, students fail to comprehend Arabic language and its entirety as a result of lack of emphasis on its grammar despite years of learning. At this juncture, a new alternative and innovation has been introduced called I-Tamhidi. This I-Tamhidi website is built upon 4 factors. The first one is reference book failed to spark interest. The second one is student perceive Arabic grammar as perplexing. The third one, an attractive contents and presentation of the current website. And the last one is lack of motivation and interest toward the Arabic grammar. Ladies and gentlemen, I-Tamhidi is an educational website developed in the objective of teaching and learning Arabic grammar. The website is developed on site 123 platform that can be accessed through URL I-Tamhidi site123.me. Why site 123? We found that many websites out there, for example, Weebly and many more, doesn't support the Arabic font. The development of this website is tailored based on suggestion and opinion gathered from students at the initial stage of the project. This is to ensure the high functionality of the website, that it should not only provide relevant learning materials to students' comprehension, but also to cater the current needs of its user. As far as Arabic grammar learning among students is concerned, objective of this innovation is to increase the learner's motivation and desire in acquiring Arabic grammar and expose to self-learning environment. We move to the research methodology. The courseware of Arabic grammar was designed based on AD instructional design. A number of 100 respondents from I-Tamhidi, especially from science and technology program, are selected for need analysis phase, and another 120 respondents are selected for evaluation phase. This research has been conducted in the first and second semester 2019-2020 session. Next, we move to the features of I-Tamhidi website. As you can see on the slide, this shows the features of I-Tamhidi website. First, we do have video. There's videos from ours and outsourced from the YouTube. Okay, but we acknowledge the copyright of the owner. Second one, ebook. We provide an interactive note, including mind mapping and further explanation related to Arabic grammar. We also provide example from Al-Quran and Al-Hadith to enhance the level of understanding among our students. The third one is gamification. We embedded an application called Kahoot as an interactive games and exercise for the students. In addition, we also use Google Form for quiz version for exercise purpose. Next, question and answer. We provide an application called Padlet as a platform to encourage our students to ask. They can simply ask without mentioning their names if they feel too shy to ask. We will respond the question as fast as possible from time to time. Next, the collaboration platform. We also use Padlet to collaborate, to have collaboration from our students. They can even engage to each other, sharing information and etc. And the last one, okay, we do have exercise. We provide list of exercise, beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. They can identify their result after answering all the questions given. Last but not least, others. We also provide them a list of notes for personal copy and printing and list of online dictionary. Next, I would like to share with you about the research finding. The mean score for each item exceedingly more than 4, which is high. It was a positive feedback from our student. I-Tamhidi website has seen positive outcome and bolsters students' motivation in learning Arabic grammar. Next, advantages and disadvantages of I-Tamhidi. As you can see on the slide, this shows the advantages and disadvantages of this website. We start with the advantages. The first one, a very interesting program to improve my grammar instead of using book and notes. The second one, I can learn Arabic grammar by my own pace, anytime and anywhere. No need to bring book to the class. The third one, it was a good website to me in understanding more about Arabic grammar through online exercise. And as we can see in this slide, okay, the last one is Kahoot challenge my understanding in Arabic grammar as well as give an impact to the learner's memory by challenging exercise. We move to the disadvantages of this website. The first one is the website needs students to have internet connection. Okay, otherwise could not access the program. Okay, unfortunately, this website is online. Okay, online version. We still don't have the offline version. And the second one, some exercise did not provide the correct answer. All right, for the iPhone user, we face a problem where the features of this website cannot be read for example, ebook, okay, for some iPhone user. All right, so then we move to impact of teaching and learning. Okay, the finding of the study discovers that majority of our students responded positively with regard to I-Tamhidi's content and presentation. Its content can attract as well as boosting their motivation in learning Arabic grammar. Respondents also agreed to the fact that I-Tamhidi has allowed them to experience self-learning. Explanation concerning grammar through Web 2.0 application and gamification has increased their interest in learning Arabic grammar. This is the commercial target for this product. Then improvement on the features of I-Tamhidi. Okay, we improve, okay, some features for this competition. First of all, gamification and exercise. Okay, we updating all the exercise and games with the explanation of correct and wrong answer. All right, for in terms of the content of the I-Tamhidi, we also updated, okay, in line with the current syllabus. Okay, and then the last one, we try our level best to produce an application in the near future, inshallah, especially for the offline version. All right, for the time being, the offline version is not available, but in the near future, we try our level best to have one, because the student can simply download it from Google Store and then have it in their phones. All right, the last one, okay, award and recognition. Our latest achievement, we were awarded the gold medal at the Pre-University Malaysia Innovation Competition P063 organized by University Malaysia Terengganu. And as we can see, okay, there is a list of award and recognition from UPSI, from USIM, from QUIPSAS, and from UKM. Okay, so in terms of publication, we have proceeding, okay, in many competition, right? And then this product also presented in one seminar, okay, in USIM. As a conclusion, learning grammar is now easier and bring positive result to our student. I think that's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears and time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.